Hi, I'm Greg, and we have a property here in Arbondale, a beautiful property that has a high fence gate around it that is on the market April the 1st. Okay, give us a call if you're interested. We're looking to rent it or possibility to sell. It has 2 accesses to the gate. When you come in, you got a gate over there in the driveway, and then you also can pull in here in this gate. It has a huge, extremely huge yard, no HOA. We're looking for a buyer or a renter, preferably a rent-to-own situation. We're looking at $1,125 a month. This property was fully flipped by Radford Homes. That's right. Greg Radford flipped this house a year ago. And April the 1st, it'll be available. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It has a brand new roof, brand new AC, brand new floors, brand new bathrooms, brand new cabinets, brand new stainless steel appliances, the whole 9 yards. I'm giving 3% to the realtors if they bring me a buyer. It's not listed. It's a pocket listing. Okay, it'll be available April the 1st. He's moving out. It got an extremely large yard with a shed in the back. Like I said, it's a gated, it's 5-foot gate all the way around. Call me for the address. It has a brand new AC. Check it out. It never had an AC in it before. So the AC and the ductwork, everything in it is brand new. On the roof is brand new, and the whole entire house was rewired. As far as the wiring, the roof, the floors, the drywall, we redid the drywall. As you can see, I got my sign right here, so you can reach me at 863-410-0877. If a realtor sends me a renter, I will pay you $300 just for you to send me a qualified renter. 410-0877. Look at this huge yard. So you have a carport here. Everything in it been freshly painted. All right, got an entry gate here. And look how well the yard has been maintained. Give me a call, 863-410-0877. I'll rent to own it. I'll lease it, straight out rent it. Or you could possibly buy it as well. And I give realtors 3%. All right? And if you bring me a cash offer, check this out. If you bring me somebody who got cash, this house is fully flipped. Look at the pictures on the link. If you bring me somebody who got cash, I'll give you an extra $1,000. I'll give you 3% plus $1,000 more to all realtors. All right? Like I said, it got 2 entries to the gate where I can pull in mine. You can reach me right here. 863-410-0877. We got a rental property here that you can buy it outright. You can rent to own it, or you can just rent it.